What documents should I review in order to prepare for my deposition that I'm going to give in my case? Hi, my name's Chris Klotz. I'm a personal injury attorney here in Pensacola, Florida, and I would love to try to answer this question for you because everybody that's involved in a lawsuit always asks. I've got my deposition coming up, we've done some discovery, we've done some investigation, the lawsuit's moving along, and then the other side wants to take your deposition. Oh my gosh, it can be scary. You've never had a deposition taken before, there's going to be lawyers and court reporters, and what do I do to get ready? Well, first of all, take a breath and relax because we're going to help you. Part of our job is to help you be prepared for what to expect when you go to a deposition. And all a deposition is just an opportunity for the other side to ask you some questions about what you know. But you do want to be prepared because you don't want to have to fumble around and look through documents when you get there. So generally before a deposition, I will generally have a client look at the complaint, which is the lawsuit, and it's just the complaint is another word for the lawsuit. I'll have them sometimes look at the accident report just to refresh your memory about the accident report, and I'll have you take a look at your interrogatory responses. Those are the questions that were asked by the other side to you, and we have probably sat down with you and gone over the answers with those questions and helped you formulate the answers to those, and we've sent those back in writing. So the complaint, which is a lawsuit, accident report, and your interrogatory responses. And if there's any other statement that you've made, we might review that too. So those are the things you're going to review. But here's one thing to remember, is that anything that you take a look at as you're getting ready for your deposition and preparation for it, the other side has a right to ask what you have taken a look at. So be prepared to answer that. If you have watched a video or if you listen to a recorded statement or whatever you've read, just remember that whatever you look at, the other side has a right to know what you've used to refresh your memory. So I hope that this has answered your question a little bit. It's not hard. We're going to be there to help you get prepared. And anytime you have questions, you should just let us know. If you have questions about depositions or anything having to do with the case, please give us a call. We would love to talk to you about what you have going on with your case. If you have questions, our number is 850-444-0000. My name's Chris Klotz at Stevenson Klotz Law Firm in Pensacola, and thank you very much for watching us today.